Nagkaanak na naman si Buneneng. Tinanggal ko. Hindi na pwede dito mahiga sila. Kaya yan, tinanggal na yung magaling kong kapatid. Sa harap ng bahay, merong medical vision and optical and libre bunot ni Doc Chua. Counselor Doc Chua. Ito yung PNP and Army who assisted during the medical mission. So this is it. It's already done. And we try to take a look kung meron pa, makahabol pa tayo sa optical. Pakalibreng salamuna. Dahil malabo ng ang mata ng inyong lola. So this is it, Pansit. Done already. Say hello, Gingy. Bye for now. This is your Tita Amelia signing off. And we'll see you again on our next video. Hopefully, there could be another video in the future. Sorry for the delayed sa ating mga updating ng ating vlogs. But right now, we're undergoing traumatic experience and we need medical assistance as well as financial. So since hindi pa tayo monetize ng YouTube, hopefully we could avail some of the benefits and privileges of a senior citizen. So until here, this has been your Tita Amelia signing out, and we'll see you again on our next video. Bye everyone!